The latest assessment of the situation in Chile, we had an assessment team that went down to Cauquenes, which is a town just north of Concepcion. It's one of the worst affected regions by the earthquake in Chile. It was also one of the regions that was affected by the tsunami. What we're seeing in Cauquenes is that a large number of buildings have been affected, lots have been damaged, lots of families have lost their homes. We're also seeing a lot of damage to public buildings such as schools and hospitals. There was access to the town, the road was passable, the water was functioning in the town, and they did have electricity. Obviously we're very concerned, particularly for children at this time. A lot of families will be distressed, and children are always the most vulnerable in this sort of situation. We're also concerned about rural areas which are more remote, where perhaps assessments have not yet taken place and assistance hasn't started to reach. The Chilean government has requested assistance, some specific help in terms of items such as water and sanitation equipment or psychosocial support for children. In Cauquenes, where we carried out an assessment, we did see water and food being distributed to affected people. We went to visit some of the hospitals and saw that a lot of the hospitals had suffered damage. They are managing to cope with some of their existing materials that they had beforehand. Obviously, more help is needed. Save the Children is working with the government in Chile to look at how we can best support the relief effort. Obviously, the government in Chile does have a very high capacity, and the situation is somewhat different to the impact we saw in Haiti. However, the children in Chile do still need our support and help. Save the Children is a child-focused organisation. Following an earthquake, what we see is the effects on children are several. First of all, there's the physical risk to children after an earthquake. There's the risk of aftershocks, children playing in their damaged houses, falling rubble. Also, there's a lot of dust, and so breathing issues for children. Also, earthquakes, of course, are a very distressing situation. Children may have witnessed the injury or the loss of a family member or a friend. Children may have been trapped in a building, such as a school, for a long period of time until they were rescued. Also, just in the general chaos, they may have become separated from their families. So what Save the Children normally does after an earthquake is we establish things we call child-friendly spaces. A child-friendly space is a physical environment where children can come. It serves a number of different purposes. It provides a safe environment away from damaged buildings and rubble. It also provides an opportunity for children to overcome some of the distressing things they've seen. Through an opportunity to play, to socialize, and to start talking about some of the things they've witnessed. In addition to that, it provides an opportunity or it provides an option for parents to leave their children in a safe area where they can then go to look for food or for water or to start rebuilding their homes. It also provides an opportunity for health professionals, teachers, etc., to look at whether there are any children who need further psychological support, and they can then be referred for that support.